The ocean is absolutely breathtaking. To imagine that 95% of it is still a mystery to mankind. There are so many places to yet discover God's deep blue creation. In this video, we finally get on the boat and get to know her better. If you haven't already subscribed, do so now to follow along our journey as we start sailing school. As always, thanks for watching and enjoy. Okay. All right, we're here. All right. Yes. All right. We're here finally, and yeah, we hadn't been here since about June or so. And we are going to sailing school on our boat. We got Jack Yaeger coming on board to assist and show us the ropes a little bit. So, what?
Teach us all the things.
Teach us all the things. That's right. Pretty bag you got. All right, yeah. It is low tide right now for sure.
Hey guys, so right now we just got on the boat and it's dirty, so I'm glad we got here a day early. Not like dirty like they left it filthy, just like it's been sitting, and so some things need to be wiped down, but I'm just doing a real quick inventory to see what is already on here so I don't get double that on the provision run we're about to do, hopefully before school gets out, because that's my goal. So I'm just looking around. I'm looking at my storage. It's pretty exciting. I just want to start cleaning. And not because it's filthy, but just because that's just who I am. But, so we'll just wipe that off. We have a friend that's coming to do, how about this? Whoa. We have a friend that's coming to do the camera, and he'll be here tomorrow, thank goodness, because I would like to clean up before we get guests. So that's what's going on right now, and we're fixing to go grocery store shopping, grocery shopping.
We are walking into Walmart. We are going to get some provisions for the boat for a week, some cleaning supplies, maybe, and food. Well, first thing we got to do is clean this off. Got some birds poop everywhere, and we get to do some cleaning first. They like the sugar scoops. Anyway, we finally made it. Jamie's in there, and I'm gonna do some cleaning. There it is. Looks so pretty. It's been a long day.
A long day.
Very long day.
Up at 4:30, and then we gained an hour, so
Lost an hour.
Lost an hour. I don't know, but yeah. So we got to the boat. It was dirty, not like filthy dirty, but just like birds pooped all over it.
All over the
And
back,
then,
sugar scoops.
Yeah, and like a lot and big. It was gross. Anyway. And then just getting the rooms together and sheets and trying to tidy up a little bit. And so now we're fixing to sit down at 9:47 at night and have dinner and maybe watch a little TV before we shower in bed.
We're gonna have some sandwiches.
So yes.
Yeah, it's a fun first day.
Whew.
It's starting to feel.
It's rough, but
starting to feel real.
the anxiety's going down a little bit as far as like I do much better under organization and like knowing and like just feeling like everything has a place. And so now I feel better because everything's sorted and put away and we're unpacked. So, and we'll do this all over again in a week with kids. Yay!
You feel better?
Now I need to eat because I'm like.
All right, let's eat.
Okay.
All right. See you tomorrow. Are we gonna have Skittles sandwiches?
So how can? Okay.
That's Enno.
Hey guys.
He is generously decided to volunteer his time this week to come down. We met Enno and his wife Kayla at the Miami Boat Show this year, and we've been friends ever since. So he's going to come down. He's here to just enjoy the ride and get some footage for us. For our channel and everything, so and work, yeah. And he's working.
Yeah.
So I appreciate it, man.
Not a problem, man.
And there's Jamie putting something up there. Treasure Island Causeway. This is selling catamaran zookeeper requesting permission to open the bridge.
This is Treasure Island Bridge, Captain. Next opening is going to be 11:45. Stand by on Channel 9. We'll get you through in just a few minutes.
Copy that, thanks. Alright, first day boat school. We are sailing right now. Not sailing yet, actually. We're going down the intercoastal and just getting out there, and then once we get out there, we'll be able to put the sails up. There's Jack and Jamie, and
You always want to stay in just so that way you keep your standards.
That's 18,432,000 hours spent.
Slow down some.
Bump where it clicks right there, that's idle forward.
Okay.
So that's like having your feet on the pedals in your car.
Alright, and so I just say
John's Pass.
John's Pass is selling cat zookeeper asking for permission to cross, to come through, to open the bridge. John's Pass.
Open the gate.
John's Pass, this is catamaran zookeeper asking for permission to open the bridge. Do I have to hold the badge there?
You have to hold it where you're talking.
This one? I didn't do that. That was just precious.
It sounded good.
John's Pass, this is sailing catamaran zookeeper asking for permission to open the bridge.
So Captain, I'll start your opening. Like the finish advance fully open, stand by on Channel 9.
What time?
Thank you.
How you feeling? Good. Good, Jack? Good. Awesome. That is a big boat.
Doesn't really draw and paint quite as much. I don't know. I don't really see them that much.
Yeah.
Minus saw him. I see him maybe like once, maybe twice a year.
Holidays.
Excuse me. Give me the look.
We know who the captain of this boat is.
We're cooking.
No, we're not.
All right, you're cooking. Look at that.
Has a knife.
What's in there? Yeah.
Italian sausage, onions, red bell peppers.
Day one in the books, and tomorrow we'll start working on sailing a little bit more in depth. And yeah, it's good. Good first
I
day.
mean, I definitely feel confident that I can strain the sea cock or the sea strainers and turn off and on the sea cocks.
There you go.
What was the most frightening thing you did today?
Go through that.
The most
bridge.
frightening thing.
That was.
Yeah.
I tried not to think about it so I wouldn't like freak out.
I didn't do any. I wouldn't say anything frightening. I would say when the mainsail was going up and was binding
Yeah.
for a second, that was a little.
Don't break it. Don't break it.
That was. I was like, yeah, don't break it. Look
Side-
at that hair.
Not even bad yet.
Oh, it looks good. It's the first day and nice motor sailing.
Yes, we're getting close to anchoring. So
Yeah.
that'll be exciting to drop our anchor for the first time.
We don't have a lot of wind, about 5 knots. And
True wind. That's not even apparent wind.
right. So what's the difference, Jamie?
True wind is you standing up. Apparent wind is us going against, like, into the wind. Beautiful. You want to get a shot. And so we're like, let's just send it up, not even that high, just to, like, you know, kind of get a picture of us. Thanks for watching, everyone. Tune in next week as we will be raising the sails. We will be doing much more hands-on as Jack shows us how to use the wind to our advantage. Be sure to subscribe and follow along.